everyone, I hope you enjoyed that intro. I've already applied some primer on my face, so I'm going to start with concealer to hide our dark circles. Now, we are going to use some foundation to give our skin a smoother look. When this is finished, apply some skin tone powder. For the eyes, make a triangular shape above the eyelid in the color red. Then, apply some dark gold in the outer corner of the eye. For the middle of the eyelid, use some gold. For the inner part of your eyelid, use some gold highlighter. Now, draw a winged shape using black eyeliner. We will be drawing some leaves on our cheeks. To do this, we start with a white pencil to draw the outline of the leaf. Go over the white outline with red and add some spikes. Under the red outline, color in the leaf with yellow. Under the yellow, use some bright green. Outline the bright green with a darker green. Then, use some red eyeshadow and give the leaf some depth. Take a dark brown and give the leaf some veins. Go back to the upper outline of the leaf and use some red eyeliner to give it more dimension. Add some black mascara on the eyelashes. Take a nude purple lip gloss to fill in your lips. Use a fluffy brush to add some highlighter on your face. Now, for the hand, we will be drawing a rose with a brown pencil. You start with a circle and then add some petals. Color in the petals of the rose with red eyeshadow. Take a bright green and dark green and give the leaf some depth. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I hope you have enjoyed this long video. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!